Hi, I'm Casey Hill and I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to walk you through a few quick and simple steps for when you're doing the school run or you have to head off to work with no time to spare. So I love this video because this is me 99% of the time. I have 3 children under 8 and having time to do my makeup in the mornings is quite often impossible. Everyone's 5 to 10 minute makeup routine will differ. What I'm going to do today is give you a general, quick, full face routine. For a quick base, I would actually ditch brushes and I would take a light foundation, like a BB cream or a CC cream or a tinted foundation or whatever your light coverage foundation is, and just rub it into your skin as if it was a moisturizer. If you love your brushes, I get it, but if we're trying to be quick, just rubbing it in as if it's a moisturizer is the fastest way to do this. Next, I would grab a concealer. Now, you just need to dab under your eyes, on any problem spots that you might have. I always suggest a little bit around the nose. It sounds a bit silly, but it's generally a spot where you're always a little red. So if you've just got the time to take 1 minute with your fluffy brush or with your fingertips, get under those eyes. If your children are as annoying as mine, you won't have slept last night. The next trick is with that concealer, with either your brush, just close for me, honey, with either your brush or your fingertips, pop it onto your eyelid. Now, you don't need any extra. You can truly just use whatever's left on your fingertip or left on the brush, but this gives your eyes just a lighter shade than they naturally are, and that can either be a primer if you find you have a couple of seconds to put on an eyeshadow, or if not, that lighter color can almost be your eyeshadow. So it's a step that you've taken out from later on. If you feel like you're learning something, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of our videos. Grab your blush or your bronzer, whichever is your bag. You probably only have time to do one, so I would suggest thinking about whether you want to try to warm up your skin or whether you wanted to add a bit of a flush of color to your cheeks. It's often quite a youthful look. For Ariana, we're going to do a little hit of blush, so just on the apples of your cheeks, by doing a little cheeky smile like she's doing here, and just very quickly brush that on. I would always suggest keeping blush higher rather than lower. It's just a more youthful, flattering look. When you bring blush too low down, it can drag your face down. So blush nice and high on the apples of your cheeks. Again, we're going for speed. So with the same color, often just the residue off of your brush, I'd close your eyes and just pop that on the outer corners of your eyelids. You don't have to change brushes, you don't have to do anything fancy, you just want a little wash of that color across your eyelids. If you're using your bronzer, obviously it will be that bronze color. If you're using your blush, it will be the blush color. Both is absolutely fine. Grab your mascara. When you're doing mascara on yourself, I always suggest that you tilt your chin up and look down into the mirror. That way you can get the spoolie right from the roots to the ends of your lashes without hitting your eyelid. And when we're trying to be quick, we do not have time to fix any mistakes. So chin up and look down into your mirror. Really wriggle the spoolie from root to tip. Just coat the lashes with as much time as you have available. It's always a good idea to try to coat the top of your lashes as well. So turning the spoolie on top of your lash as well as underneath, so that you're coating both sides of those lashes. If you're really liking these videos and you'd like to see more, make sure to like and subscribe so that you can see everything that we have coming up. Now we're going to jump onto eyebrows. I would suggest when we're trying to be quick that we choose a product that has fibers in it. So one of these kind of brushes that holds the hair in place, adds a color, and it also tends to add some fibers. So you can see straight away that it helps to fill in any gaps, as well as adding color, as well as holding everything in place. So it's almost like a 3-in-1. And when we're trying to be quick, that is exactly what we need. We're going to focus on lips. I suggest a gloss as opposed to a lipstick because it's way quicker to apply and you can be a bit freer with it. You don't have to sit and be so precise. So my suggestion would be to put it on the inside of your lips. So don't bother going all the way to the lip line, because this way you can just shove it on. Obviously you'll have your own lip gloss, so you can rub it straight from the tube onto your lips. And then what I would suggest is, because you haven't gone all the way to your lip line, you're just coating that inner section of your lips. Then you can rub your lips together and it will spread a little further out. And then with your brush or your lip, or your finger, sorry, just dab around and spread it out if it hasn't fully spread to all the sections that you want it to go to. And that's your lip color. If your kids aren't screaming at you and you're not 5 minutes late already for your meeting, what I would then take the last couple of seconds to do is either dab your finger onto your lips, or if you've still got a little bit of gloss on your hand, just as a cheeky extra, take that onto your ring finger and you can add a little highlight just at the top of your cheekbone here and your cheekbone here. And then it's just a little extra something without having to do any extra prep, get any more product. You've already got it all here. And then just adds a little finishing touch. That's your final look, from barefaced to ready to face the world with a really quick and simple school run or off to work routine. If you've liked the video and would like to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, go drop off those kids. Thank you.